Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can enable autosave in Microsoft Excel. Let's begin. First, open Excel and on the top right or top left corner of your screen, I want you to click on File. At the bottom, you should be able to locate Options, left click on it, then it will pop up a new window. Over here, just select Save. Then we need to ensure these are enabled and checked. Save auto recover information every 10 minutes. So by default, it should be 10 minutes, but we can easily adjust this. For example, I'm just going to select 1 minute, then keep the last auto recover version if it closed without saving. So enable this, and there should also be another option to save everything on your cloud. Now, once done, you can now click on OK. Then everything should now be good to go. You have now enabled autosave in your Excel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.